Hello, happy people of the internet, and welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. In today's video, we're going to be looking at another Wish.com purchase. Today's purchase is the Mini Pen Multimeter. This gets, well, it's a generic multimeter which gets reboxed by various companies and sold under their brand names. This is the KKMoon branded one, so it's got the KKM100 model number, but it comes under all the usual names that one would expect. Okay. Okay, so we can see both those. If I go to voltage and drop it, 15, 14, 16, 17, 18 is going up, but I'm turning down, which is very interesting. 12, 11, so they're both pretty much instant. That's pretty good. In fact, the pen is actually ever so slightly faster than the Fluke. Okay, toss the leads over here, put you on hold, down you go, down you go. Oh. 248, so that is 248 versus 250. We can hold that. So not bad, not bad. Good enough for the hobbyist. Okay, get that off. While we're here, let us try the EF and see. Oh, that will only flow. That will only work if this is actually plugged into something. So that won't work, but we can check the live. So if I stick this down, let me see here, if I stick this randomly down, that is nothing live down there. That must be neutral. There we go. So we get an audible indicator, and the LED changes color as well. Okay, so we're on naught. Okay, so 1 kilohertz, 2 kilohertz, 3, 4, 5. So the Fluke is spot on to 3 decimal places. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I don't know what the max is of the Fluke, so let's just crank this up and see where it cuts out. 100 kilohertz must be. So 99, so the Fluke can't handle over 100 kilohertz. So that's quite impressive, the frequency range. Yeah, that's very nice, especially if you into radio and HF. Yeah, 40 meters, 20 meters and 40 meters if you make building your own equipment. Very useful. Okay. So that is working. 1.646. Ooh. That is quite a discrepancy, the voltage across LED. Let's just check that this is doing its job. Yep, nothing there going the other way. So 1.645 volts across using the Fluke, 1.71 using the pen. Now that's quite a big discrepancy. And push hold. That's not brilliant. Okay, 25.1 ohm. Can stick you over there, and let's see what Mr. Fluke says. Oops, ping, 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 ping. Let's get both on at the same time. 24.9. Oh, you're all over the place, but I don't have connection. There. No. Still not. 24.9 ohms versus 25.1 on the pen. Okay, I've seen another gentleman do a comparison like this, much better job than I'm doing, and his was much closer. He was also using comparing to a Fluke 26. Why is that reading going up? 24.9. Okay, 18.29 nanofarad. How on earth am I going to get it to hold that value? I'm not, am I? No, I'm never going to get it to hold that value. There we go. Okay, I did. Okay. 18.29 nano. And what does Fluke say? No, I should have changed to Fluke's own leads. I think I'm going to change now quickly. Even though those are good leads, can't really test Fluke without using its own leads. Okay. and we want U here, and we want capacitance, and we want to get in on this tiny little thing. 18. Yeah, so there you have it, folks. A £15 Wish multimeter, all in one in a pen, versus a I don't know what these Fluke 117s are currently going for, but yeah, comparison to see how accurate this was, and my conclusion is for the hobbyist, this is perfectly adequate and is really nice and useful. So yeah, thanks for joining me today. I'll see you guys next time. Cheers and